Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic family haulers in the luxury world, the 2026 Volvo XC90. Volvo calls this a refresh, but with its timeless Scandinavian design, insane safety tech, and that plug-in hybrid punch, is this really the perfect family luxury SUV? Or does it fall short against rivals like the BMW X5 or Audi Q7? I spent a full week behind the wheel, hauling kids, groceries, and everything in between. Stick around till the end for my honest verdict, you might be surprised. If you're shopping for a 7-seater that blends comfort, efficiency, and pure elegance, hit that like button now and let's jump in. First up, the exterior. The 2026 XC90 isn't a full redesign, it's building on that classic silhouette that's been turning heads since 2015. But Volvo nailed the updates. Those signature Thor's hammer LED headlights are sharper than ever, and you get new theme options, bright with chrome accents for that elegant vibe, or the stealthy dark theme with blacked out details that makes it look seriously menacing. Wheel options go up to massive 22 inches, and new colors like a deep onyx black or vibrant silver dawn pop under the sun. It's got that understated Swedish confidence, not screaming for attention like some German rivals, but when you park it next to them, it holds its own effortlessly. Practical too, massive cargo space with the third row folded, and roof rails ready for family adventures. Overall, it looks premium without trying too hard, timeless luxury on wheels. Step inside, and this is where the XC90 truly shines for families. The cabin screams Scandinavian minimalism done right, clean lines, premium materials everywhere. For 2026, Volvo upgraded with perforated Nappa leather options, open-pore wood trims, and new colors like warm cardamom that feel cozy yet upscale. That massive 11.2-inch vertical touchscreen dominates the dash, powered by Google built-in, so Android Auto and Apple CarPlay are wireless and seamless. The digital driver display is crystal clear at 12.3 inches. Seats, incredibly supportive, heated, ventilated, even massaging up front on higher trims. Second row is spacious with sliding/reclining benches, and the third row actually fits real adults for short trips, rare in this class. Ambient lighting sets the mood, and with the optional Bowers and Wilkins sound system, it's like a rolling concert hall. Quiet. Insanely so, double laminated glass blocks out the world. If you're a parent juggling chaos, this interior is your sanctuary. Now, performance and tech. You've got two main powertrains, the B5 mild hybrid with 295 horsepower, smooth and efficient for daily drives, hitting 0 to 60 in about 6.4 seconds. But the star? The T8 plug-in hybrid, 455 horsepower and 523 pound-feet of torque from a turbo 2.0-liter plus electric motor. It launches to 60 in under 5 seconds, quick enough to surprise you in a 5,000-pound SUV. Air suspension on higher trims smooths out bumps like nothing else. Handling is composed, not sporty, it's all about effortless cruising. Tech-wise, Volvo's safety game is unmatched, pilot assist for semi-autonomous highway driving, city safety that detects pedestrians, cyclists, even large animals. Blind spot monitoring, cross-traffic alert with auto brake, adaptive cruise, it's all standard. Plus, next-gen sensors make it feel like the car has eyes everywhere. Driving this feels safe and stress-free, especially with precious cargo on board. Efficiency is a big win here. The mild hybrid gets around 23 to 24 miles per gallon combined, solid for its size. Go PHEV, and it's a game changer. Up to 32 miles of pure electric range, perfect for school runs, 58 miles per gallon equivalent overall, and 27 miles per gallon in hybrid mode when the battery's low. Real world? I averaged over 30 miles per gallon mixed driving without plugging in much. Pricing starts at about $62,000 for the base core trim, competitive in luxury land. Loaded PHEV Ultra. Around $80,000 to $85,000. Worth it for the power, tech, and that electric boost? Absolutely, especially with potential tax credits. So, is the 2026 Volvo XC90 the perfect family luxury SUV? For me, yes, if you prioritize safety, comfort, and smart efficiency over razor-sharp handling. It's not the newest platform, but these updates keep it fresh and unbeatable for real-world family life. If you're in the market, test drive one, you might not look back. What do you think, perfect or overrated? Drop a comment below, subscribe for more honest reviews, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, drive safe, and see you in the next video.